What are your faves? I love that type of question. All right, here are my favorite eco-friendly cleaners and disinfectants. I've been using eco-friendly, non-toxic type cleaners for half my life, 20-something years. And I own a green certified cleaning business for almost 10 years, so I really focus on eco-friendly products. Around my house, my all-time favorite, the GOAT, is Thieves Concentrated Cleaner. It is a plant-based amazing cleaner made with 5 essential oils and plant-derived ingredients. So I love it. It's concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. Smells like a Christmas spa. I use it for my clients too, for those that love the scent. Those that don't like it, I do have other options for them. Sal Suds, another one of my favorite all-natural cleaners. It's by Dr. Bronner's. It has a very nice light scent of pine. The key with eco-friendly cleaners is you want to try to get concentrated formula, because like that, a little bit goes a long way and you can use it for a large variety of different type of cleaning jobs. Castile soap from Dr. Bronner's. Not only is it great for washing your hair and your body, I love to use it in mop water for mopping floors, or you can use a couple drops in some warm water for an all-purpose cleaner. And Castile soap comes in a lot of different scents, so I love that as well. Seventh Generation, that is a fantastic cleaner and disinfectant. So when it comes to eco-friendly products, I think a lot of people think that they don't disinfect, that it's just scented cleaners, but that's not true. You can safely and effectively disinfect with eco-friendly products. You just have to find the right ones. And Seventh Generation is a fantastic disinfectant. It gets an A rating on the EWG, comes in a lot of different scents, and I just prefer it so much better than bleach. Force of Nature is also another wonderful all-natural disinfectant. It's great because you can actually make your bottle at home with the packets that they give you, and it becomes electrolyzed water, which is a disinfectant. It's an EPA registered disinfectant and hospital grade disinfectant. You're getting the amazing disinfecting power of bleach, but no toxic bleach fumes. Hydrogen peroxide, a fantastic disinfectant as well. If you want a very unscented disinfectant, hydrogen peroxide is your go-to thing you should use. If you want it scented, you can add essential oils to it, and it works out great. Mop soaps, I have found some amazing mop soaps here on the TikTok shop. H&W Bathhouse, Mavwix Fragrances, or Scent Season. They make some great mop soaps, lots of different fun scents you could choose from, and you just need a little bit in your mop water and you're good to go. Scrub Daddy Sift Cleaner and the Scrub Daddy Power Paste. I love those Power Paste cleansers. Great when you need a little bit more scrubbing action. I love the scents, light scent, and it's by Scrub Daddy. Like, who doesn't love Scrub Daddy? I'm a Jersey girl and I just love them. They're from New Jersey too. Dish soap. Seventh Generation dish soap. You could do a lot with dish soap. I can't say dish soap. I feel like it's a tongue twister. But yes, you can clean bathtubs with dish soap. I know people love using Dawn. I see people use Palmolive. Sometimes I'll use Palmolive. It's whatever I have at hand. Or sometimes my client prefers that I use that type of dish soap. But Seventh Generation is one of my favorites because it's a clear with no added chemicals and no added dyes in it. But dish soap, you could do a lot. You can mop with dish soaps. You can clean ovens and microwaves and tubs. You know, you just need a little bit. It's a concentrated form of dish soap, so a little bit goes a long way. Odoban I do like. I wouldn't call it my top favorites, only because it's not as eco-friendly as I wish it was, but I love that it's a cleaner and a disinfectant in one, and I can use it in my laundry, and I do like the scent of their eucalyptus Odoban, and the lavender too, so Odoban's pretty good. Vinegar is a great acidic chemical, so you just have to be careful because you can't use it on all surfaces. Not every product you can use on all surfaces. Like peroxide, you can't also use on all surfaces. So you have to be cautious with vinegar. It is acidic. You don't want to use it directly on wood. You don't want to use it on natural stones. It can eat away the finish, but it is an acid. It is great to help break down grease, grime, and particles. And you can mask the scent with essential oils or even soap. You don't have to smell like the Olive Garden when you're cleaning with vinegar. Those are some of my favorite eco-friendly cleaners. Now, if you want to know what cleaning tools and brushes and scrubbers and some more stuff, let me know, because there's still a lot of cool eco-friendly cleaning products you can use.
Thanks for checking out this video. I really, really, really appreciate it. Just to let you know, I do not get paid for making videos. I don't get paid for my content. I wish I did. I really, really wish I did. I just don't have enough views. So if you love this video, if you found it helpful, if you can please like, comment, share, subscribe, love, do all the things to help boost the algorithm so that my videos can be pushed out, I would greatly appreciate it. I genuinely love sharing cleaning tips and tricks. And when you love what you do, it's not work. Keep following along, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Check out my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. My Etsy shop, if you need any cleaning documents, spring cleaning checklist, business documents, whether you own a cleaning business or any other small business, I have documents that you can edit for your business needs. So check that out on my Etsy shop, Crunchy Clean by Kathy. Check out my YouTube channel. Check out my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com. All over social media. I love sharing. Hit that like, follow, subscribe, share. It would help me out so much. So thanks again. I don't get paid to make these videos, but I do it because I love it and I love to help with cleaning tips. So thanks again, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.